Okay, good morning. Welcome to Mishna Yomi. Today we'll be analyzing Paraches, Mseches Terumos, Mishnayos, Dalet and Hey. Mishnah Dalet says Yayin shel Terumos shenas gala. A new halacha about yayin and mayim and milk that are magula. Right, you left them uncovered. Right, sometimes someone comes over for Shabbos and a bottle of wine. They forget to put the cork back in. Right, or some people, this really bothers people. Open a bottle of water at the table and just leave it open. You got to put the cap back on. When you pour yourself something from a bottle, you put the cap back. You don't leave the cap off. It bothers me to know when people do this. Yayin shel Truma shenas gala, right? The yayin is truma. You went to a Kohen's house. He has yayin of truma shenas gala. He didn't put the cork back in. Yishapech. There's halacha, which maybe applies today, maybe doesn't apply today. Some Tosos and bases doesn't apply today. We're not nizar and giloy, but we're concerned that a snake might come out from nowhere and put some venom in the yayin. They have a tendency to come to wine, so you have to spill it out. Spill out the wine. And certainly by chulin. Because like truma, there's a chash, maybe you're ma'abed truma. You're not supposed to. There's an issue in the Torah to destroy truma for no reason. Chulin, I mean, maybe a baltashka. It's not baltashka. Baltashka when you destroy something. You throw something out, it's not baltashka. Contrary probably believe when you cut down a tree, that's baltashkas. When you take a piece of bread and you pour in water, that's baltashkas. When you throw something out that you don't want to eat, it's not called baltashkas. Bezar lomer shel chulin, and certainly chulin also. Shlosha mashkin asura mishim giloy. There's only three liquids you have to be careful. Amayim b'yayim b'achalav, water, wine, and milk. Those are the only ones that snakes really go into and release their venom into. A sharkal mashkin mutarim kama yisho. There's the Rav points out there's other foods we're worried about, but when it comes to liquids, only these three. Sharkal mashkin mutarim kama yisho yu asurin. How long do they have to be uncovered and they're deemed asur? Kadesh yitzei rachash macham karav yishte. The rachash is a reference to the nachash. It rhymes with the rachash. It's creepy crawling animals. It's like for a split second. The fact that it comes out, you look away, it comes out from underneath. I don't know, the ozen kli, the Gemara says, from the handle of the kli, and it drinks and hit it again. That's, I don't know, 2 seconds. That would be the shear. Hey, shear my magulin teishtoda mara. There is a maximum shear. Let's say you have a huge vat of water, so therefore, if even a little air of venom goes into it, it's not going to kill you. That's okay. You have to talk to your doctor how much is a reasonable chance of you dying or not. Rabbi Yossi Omer, the Kalim, Yossi says it depends. If it's in a kli, right, detached from the ground, not on a mikveh, so then kol shein, even a little bit of eris can kill you. But karkos arba'im sa, it's in a mikveh, so if it's a mikveh, it has arba'im sa or more, so even a little eris is batel in the water. It's hard to understand what Yossi's saying over here. Some connection in Isser and Sakana, and things like batel and a mikveh, shloshin lugim moam shuvin, is batel and a mikveh. Don't understand Rabbi Yossi. We don't paskin Rabbi Yossi. It's a huge kli. He says it would be usher, but we paskin no. Whether it's in the carcass, a mikveh or not, it's based on science. Whether it has enough venom to kill you or not. That would be the determining factor, whether you're allowed to drink from it or not. That's the conclusion of today's share. Stay tuned for Ian on Mishna. We talk about, I think, something very fundamental, distinguishing between sakana and the isser of sakana, because it's pasuk in the Torah, nishmartem ol lenafshe seichem. Right, you're at mitzvah, it's an isra v'hetri, mitzvah is a mitzvah to be nizar in your life. But the Gemara says, sakanta chamira misura, sakana is worth an isra. How is it worth an isra? If the sakana is outlawed by isra, right? The Gemara says, this is the explanation of this of giloy, is sakana chamira misura. The Gemara in Chulin on Daf Yud says. So we're going to explain that more in Ian and Mishna coming up next.